connected.
Okay, so let's have a look at the app. This is the first tab. This shows us which device is connected, which version of software is installed, and the battery level. We have intercom. This is both mesh and, if we push to the left, Bluetooth. Below is audio. Currently this is Spotify. We can skip tracks here, play and pause, or we can go to the FM radio. By pressing the small speaker icon at the top, we can open up the sound options. Here are 3 different inputs to the speakers. Using the plus and minus, we can balance these sounds out. If we have a GPS connected, for example, this would also show here. If the GPS was louder than perhaps the phone or the intercom, we could tune the volume down. The balance of these, once set, is then controlled by the master volume on the side of the helmet or on the phone's master volume. The next tab along is the intercom side. From the intercom side, we've got mesh and Bluetooth. The settings for both can be controlled from here. Mesh channels can be changed, and we can also do mesh grouping. Mesh grouping is searching for other mesh users. The easiest way to partner with people is to press the small box on the top. This opens the camera and produces a QR code. The QR code can then be shown to your friend, or they can use their camera to picture yours. You both then appear on each other's pairing lists. It's from this that private mesh groups can be created. The third tab is the music tab, and the music tab allows us to switch between our chosen music player and FM radio. At the moment this is tuned into Spotify, or we can select FM radio. By turning the FM radio on, we can scan for frequencies, or we can look at our presets that we've previously stored. The fourth tab is the speed dial tab. Here you can add your favourites from your contacts. Alternatively, you can use the voice assistant on your phone to dial from the contacts. Finally, the cog on the top right opens up the settings. The settings menu shows us how to set up the updates for Wi-Fi. It's got some help and guide if we do get stuck, and it's also got the settings for the devices. So first of all, there's an audio equalizer. The audio equalizer allows you to personalize the sound of the music to your taste. Here I have bass boost selected, and I've switched to music enhance. There are other options available, such as smart volume control. This is speed or background noise dependent. Currently it's off. Switch it to medium, and that has now changed. There are many other options which are available. If you're unsure as to what any of them do, pressing the I button will give you the information as to what that setting does.